guys, welcome to the new episode of Bass Chase. Today on the list we have Derrick Hodge, and we're gonna check out the fill that you just saw in the intro. One, two, three, four. Two, three, four, one. So this fill is actually it's pretty simple. It's over a D flat major chord. You play on a loop, and basically it's a whole lot of triplets again. And one thing to note as well is what I'm using is he's using an octave pedal, which gives this really nice sound to the fill. And anyway, the fill starts on the third beat, and it starts with triplet notes, and it's 4 groups of triplet notes first. The first 3 triplets: G, B flat, G, 12th and 15th, and again 12th fret on the G string. Right. The next 3 are the F, the E flat, and the C. So they go they're like the 15th, the 13th fret of the D string, and the 15th fret of the A string. So these 2 together. Alright. Next we have, and these are the B flat, the A flat, and the G on the on the A string. So these are the 13th, 11th, and the 10th fret. And here I do like a slide. It's not really, you can see from the video how exactly he plays it. This is my way of playing it, but there's other ways to play it as well. Anyway, so this one was so these 3 groups together. Alright. Yeah, and the last triplets are F, E flat, and D on the E string. So the same 3 frets like on the A string before on the E string. So 13, 11, and 10. And then just 1 to end on this D flat on the 3rd beat of the next bar. So together. He kind of like drags a little down. It's a little muddy. I think he plays in this D natural in between this on the 10th fret. So it goes like this. And then the last thing he plays is this, like the 2nd and the 3rd triplet note. Last beat. The first one is like a break. There's no notes played. 8th and 11th fret on the A string, F and A flat, and to this D flat. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Alright, so that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time.